like me. Ain't cut like these bitches, count up a check in a white tee. Bitch, I'm road running, I don't give a fuck who beside me. Still the coldest bitch, it don't even matter who bite.
Welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title of this video already, I'll be showing you guys how I maintain, well, basically how I moisturize and hydrate my starter locks when my locks is looking dry and it's just screaming at me saying it's thirsty. And I will show you guys how I basically let my edges get more thicker and fuller, mainly because with all of these wigs I've been installing in my hair, you know, my edges been thinning out. So as you guys can tell, I've been locked for 7 months. I've been locked for 7 months now, and I thought it'd be cool to show you guys how I maintain it. Usually, me personally, I just maintain and moisturize my locks every 3 to 4 days. I've been really listening to my locks because lately my locks has been, you know, getting dry. I don't know if it's because it's growing and it's, you know, locking up. It's just getting dry in general. So moisturizing my hair every 2 to 4 days has really made my hair grow this much in 1 month. So I just pretty much deep scalp massage, but not today. I'm just showing you guys how I just maintain it. So I'm showing you guys how my hair grew within just 1 month of moisturizing my hair every 3 to 4 days. So yeah, it's a whole lot of new growth. So now I'm gonna show you guys the spray bottle that I use, well, the hairspray that I use. I made this my own self. It's just tap water from the faucet, conditioner, and a mixture of oils that I concoct together to basically help my hair grow faster and just keep my hair feeling moisturized and healthy. My type hair I have is 4C, and as you guys can tell, you can see the texture of it, but not too much, but you still can see the texture. The curls is really tight, and this is the oil that I concoct together. Is jojoba oil and tea tree oil. My hair has been really thinning out, so if you check out my previous videos, well, my 6-month lock close-up update video, you'll see that my locks are thinning out. So I went and bought these 2 oils to help my hair grow and feel more thicker in thickness. So the oils that I bought, they're very lightweight and it doesn't weigh my hair down than the oils that I used to use before, which was castor oil and black castor oil. Those 2 oil used to weigh my hair down, so I decided to switch it up a little bit because my hair thinning out and it's weighing my hair down more than making it grow. So one step I love to do in always massaging my scalp, you know, just to stimulate for new growth, I just go in and oil each part of my head. Like I go in and oil each part. And right here I messed up in the back because at first I was oiling going straight back, and then I realized, you know what, let me show you guys how I oil the back as well. So that's how I end up just going anyway in the back, but then I end up putting some of my fingers and then just rubbing it all over into my head, just massaging my scalp. And this is one thing that you guys need to always do whenever you guys moisturizing or maintaining your locks or your natural hair or any type of relaxed hair or whatever. Always make sure you guys massage your scalp for stimulated growth. Okay, that's a big part. Always massage your scalp. So after I finish massage my scalp, I'm gonna show you guys, this is how my lock look up close. And then I like to go in and use my mixture of cream that I concoct as well for my edges to grow faster, because like I said, my edges has been thinning out. Also my lock, because of the wigs installed that I've been applying in my hair, it's been breaking my edges. But I've been making different type of concoction just to see what works for me. And in this concoction, it's just conditioner, black castor oil, jojoba oil, and tea tree oil, and also another oil, but I forgot. But I just applied it on my edges, you know, like massage it into my edges for stimulation, so that way it can grow and, you know, have the blood flowing. That way my edges can grow, because baby, my edges is been thinning out, and that's just like a no-go for me, and I already have a big forehead. So yeah, then I'm gonna go in with my shower cap and put my lock stem in the shower cap. I don't care how my locks is looking right now. Like I said, This is just to maintain it, even though it's just not twisted or whatnot. I just do this on a day-to-day basis because we need that moisture in our locks so our locks don't get dry. So this is my hooded dryer that I like to go in with. It's like a blow dryer, hooded dryer. I don't know what you call this, but it's some type of dryer that I bought from my local beauty supply store, and it comes with straps and a string to tighten it up my forehead. So I'm just gonna connect the end to the blow dryer and then put that on and just let it blow dry my hair, let it the heat steam into my scalp and work with my pores, and it just let the oil seep into my pores, you know what I'm saying, so the heat can open up my pores. And it was kind of like slipping off of my head, so I tried to push it down and all of that, and it just was still sliding off, so I had to hold it. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do this until I done. Okay, so after all the blow drying and setting the setting on cool to close up my pores, I just go in and remove the hooded dryer, and then I'll also go in and remove my shower cap, and then also give myself another scalp massage for more stimulation and growth. I know my hair look crazy and it's a mess and it look poofy. That's because I went and washed my hair without any retwist, and I also moisturize it, and this how I moisturize it. So yeah, this is how my hair end up looking after all the moisturization. So hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.